Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, I am going to teach about pronunciation in the part of advanced spoken English for the beginners. Friends, English is a complicated language. English is a typical language. When you feel it is easy to you, it's easy. When you feel it is difficult to you, it is difficult. When you feel it is confusing you, it confuses you always. It always confuses you. Pronunciation is very important for every language. When you start everything with a positive attitude, when you practice everything with a positive attitude, then it is very easy to learn. Not only English, whatever it may be. We have to start with the positive attitude. Do you remember when you have practiced English words? Maybe first or second standard? That's right. We have to go even back. We have to start with the alphabet. That was the first thing which our teachers taught us back in first or second standard, or maybe earlier to that. And they focused how the English alphabets are pronounced. They focused on how English alphabets are pronounced. That's what we are going to do now. Friends, if you have to become a better speaker, or if you have to learn fluent English, you have to start from the base. That's the solution. So the alphabets are from A to Z. We're gonna start how to pronounce single letter from A to Z. Friends, there is something different. Try to catch right now. There is something is called as alphabet and something is called as letter. The alphabet is A to Z and the letters are A, B, C, D till Z. Every individual character is a letter, and the combination of these characters is known as alphabet. This is really important because I have seen some students, they make this mistake conveniently and they don't even notice they have done something wrong. Friends, let's begin from the alphabets. Friends, pronunciation A to Z letters A, B, C, D, A to Z alphabets, A, B, C, D letters. I have written A to Z alphabets and I have written A to Z words. And the letters which were written in red color, you have to notice those letters which were written in red color and pronounce how I pronounce. Observe my pronunciation and you repeat it same as. While watching video, you skip or you can't understand. If you skip, you can't practice. So watch and stop, practice. Watch and stop, practice. This is the way to practice. Last video, learn and practice and implement. That part, this is the first video. Pronunciation is one video from learn, practice and implement or implement. There are another 2 videos. I give you soon. Let me pronounce, you observe. Okay? A as in table. Here, not A for apple. A as in table. A as in table. B as in bee. B as in bee. Remember, observe, pronounce, practice. C as in sea. Find out difference. Same letter, same pronunciation. D as in comedy. E as in sheep. E as in sheep. F as in effort. F as in effort. G as in jeep. G as in jeep. H as in catch. H as in catch. Catch. You have to find these letters, red color letters, color letters. Observe. Catch. I as in I. I. And then J as in jail. J as in jail. Jail. Okay. K as in cake. K as in cake. Next, L as in towel. L as in towel. Towel. M as in man. 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 N as in man. Man. O as in go. O as in go. Go. P as in peak. P as in peak. Peak. Q as in Q. Q as in Q. R as in car. Car. R as in car. Car. S as in gas. S as in gas. T as in tea. T as in tea. U as in you. U as in you. V as in V. V as in V. W as in W. Together. Both together you have to say W as in W. W, not W. W. X as in X. X as in X. Y as in white. Y as in white. Z. Z as in jet. Z. Z. G. J. Z. G. J. Z. Find out the difference. Okay, friends. Observe, pronounce, practice. Observe, pronounce, practice. Practice makes us perfect. Practice makes not man. Practice makes everybody perfect. So practice and you prove yourself you are the best. Okay, friends. This is the pronunciation. This is about. If you practice in this way, and there are millions of words. So all words pronunciation is depending this pronunciation. So if you practice these words and letters properly, and there you can pronounce millions of words, and after practicing these words you select some words and go to Google. Everybody has one smartphone now, so you can use that. Go to Google and text that, type that word and click on pronunciation button, and you can hear, you can listen that pronunciation, and you practice same as, and use dictionary to get words, and use dictionary and use smartphone and listen pronunciation, practice, and stop video and practice. After practicing these you use smartphone. After practicing there you use dictionary daily 2, 3, 4, 5. How many words if possible to you? You practice according to your convenience. If you practice according to your convenience, and nothing is possible. Everything is possible if you have interest, if you are interested to learn something, if you are interested to implement something, you have to follow like this. So I hope this video is very helpful to you. Friends, this actually మా ఛానల్ యొక్క ముఖ్య ఉద్దేశం, ఎవరైతే తెలుగు నుండి ఇంగ్లీష్కి నేర్చుకోవాలనుకుంటున్నారో వాళ్ళ కోసం we started this. But this actually about this video I can't say in Telugu, but Telugu people also started learnt in their elementary level only. There also we learned this, right? So this is same for all. There won't be any changes. Okay, so you can follow this, need not worry. But only the thing you have to do, pronounce, observe, practice. Pronounce, observe, practice. So when you practice in this way, definitely your pronunciation will be perfect. If you have good and proper pronunciation, it's very easy to learn English. So I have already told you, base. You have to start from the base. That's the solution. We started this channel for the beginners. So I gave this class from base. So complete base class this is. This class was from, we learnt in our elementary level, means long back. So once I revised, you also go back and revise practice, improve. Okay friends, I hope this video is very helpful to you. Please practice, follow, and you'll get everything. So friends, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and there will be one bell icon. Click on the bell icon, you'll get all the latest videos. Okay friends, thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Vande Mataram. Signing out, Dr. Sharma.